We are almost done with this set of Figma tutorials, and all you have to do now is you have to share your artboard with all the tutorials that you followed with your professor. We're going to go to the share button up here, and in this version of Figma, it's blue. Sometimes design things like this change when a program is updated, but it should always say share. We're going to click on it. And now my Mind First Away wants me to put an email in, but I don't really want to put an email in. I want to get a link for it. And so I'm going to say anyone with the link, and I'm going to click over here, can edit because because you're giving it to your professor, and if your professor needs to demonstrate something to you, they can access your artboard and show you how to do something different. Then I'm going to go to copy link, and it will copy the link for me. I'm going to go to Moodle, and you should have an assignment that says something like share Figma tutorial artboard. We're going to click on it. We are going to add a submission, and we're going to come down to the online text. We're going to click the link button here. It's going to open a little dialog box. I'm going to paste in that link. I'm going to click open in a new window. This helps your professor, so it will open your Figma in a new window as opposed to taking it out of, instead of getting me out of the Moodle view. So create link. Then we go to the bottom and save changes. And that's all you need to do. I hope you enjoyed the section of getting to know Figma. We'll be doing a lot more with it very, very soon.